Welcome to Pont Neuf Studio. My name is Kristen and today I will be showing you how to crochet this lemon peel stitch headband. The final measurements are 9 inches by just over 4 inches long. As you can see, the lemon peel stitch gives the headband a nice texture and it is a very easy beginner stitch to make. To make this headband, I am using Vanna's Choice worsted weight yarn and linen, a 4.5mm crochet hook, a darning needle, scissors, and a measuring tape. I have very loose tension. If you have regular tension, I would size up to a 5.5mm crochet hook, and if you have tight tension, I would size up to a 6mm crochet hook. To begin, make your slip knot and chain. I will add a video link to the description box showing very slowly how to do this if you are new to crochet. Make 13 chains. Make these chains loose so your bottom isn't scrunched up. Once you've made 13 chains, insert your hook into your second chain from your hook and make 1 single crochet. To do this, yarn over and pull through so you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. For your second stitch, we are going to make a double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the very next chain, yarn over, pull through so you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, and pull through the remaining 2. Continue working across, doing 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet until you've reached the end of your chain. Your last stitch in the row will be a double crochet stitch. Once that is completed, you can check your work and make sure you have 12 V's. Each V is for 1 stitch, so you have a total of 12 stitches. Every row that you make will have 12 stitches. The textured part will be on the other side until you chain 1, and turn your work. Now the textured side is facing you. You're going to do the same thing across this row. In your very first V, insert your hook and make 1 single crochet. In the next one, make a double crochet. Rotate all the way across with the single and double crochet for a total of 12 stitches. Once you get to the end of your row, you're going to want to chain 1 and turn and continue working these rows until you have 40 rows. Once you have 40 rows, you're going to want to check that your headband fits your head. You might need to add another row or 2 to get the correct size. At the end of my 40th row, my headband measures 18 inches long and is approximately 4 inches tall. For your next step, You want to fold both ends in half. Slip stitch both sides together, going through the V on the one row and the beginning chain of the other end. Work your way all the way across. Once you reach the other end, trim your tail, pull through to finish off. I like to tie my ends together and then weave them in using a darning needle. I go back and forth at least a few times so the ends don't come loose. Once your headband is finished, turn it inside out so the seam is on the inside. As a last step, I like to add an ultra suede product tag with my shop's name. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the thumbs up button below and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials. Thank you.